name is Crab Queen and today I have an unboxing to do. Check it out! Alright, so first of all I like to tell you a little bit. I received an email from Fischer a few weeks back if I wanted to do an unboxing for her, and of course I would love to do that. And she has an Etsy shop, Paper Lace and Bling. Check that out. I will put the link below this video too. If you see something interesting, then check out her Etsy shop. She also has a YouTube channel, Lisa Fischer. Check it out. I will put the link below this video. But let me first unbox this. Alright guys, I did not unbox whatsoever. So let's see. Let's do that together with you. Alright, let me open this up. See if I can do that. Totally forgot to clear my address on the front, but maybe, just maybe, I can put this. Super excited. What's inside? No idea. I know a little bit on what she does. Okay, oh my goodness, I love these surprises. Super cute, super cute, super cute. Alright, let me first see. Alright, this is a little welcome note, and there is a shop coupon. Wow, for my subscribers. So cool. Alright, so I'm gonna show you afterwards, but oh my gosh, look how cute this is. Lisa Fischer's Paper Lace and Bling. So there is a coupon. If you're gonna use this code CrabQueen15 on her website, Etsy shop, then you get 15% off. Wow, $15 or more. Valid until 11. What's it said? Valid until 31 November this year. Alright, must type in code. I want to check it out. Alright, read it. Do you read this? So Scrap Queen 15, then you get a 15% discount, and it's only valid to the end of the month of November. So check it out, check it out. Super cute. Lisa, you did a wonderful job with this. But, oh my gosh, let me unpack this. Alright, so what do we get? Shall I unleash everything? Yep. Super cute. Wow, look how she packed this all. Alright. Super nice. Oh my goodness, I love this. Look at this. Wow, I even can use this. Super cool. Wow. Alright, let me check. I love these tissue papers. Alright, so I know a little bit on her Etsy. She has tons and tons of ribbons. And oh my goodness, oh look how cute this is. Wow, I love it. Super cool. This rainbow ribbon. So I know that everything that she has is little in stock. I know that. So don't think if you want to buy this, for example, and you like it, and then you can come back another 6 months later that you still have it. I know that she has very little in stock, but oh my gosh, look how cute. All those laces. Love it. Super cool. I love to use these on journals, on the sides, or sometimes on a page for decoration. Oh my gosh, love it, love it, love it. And the more different ones, the better, the better. It is. Oh wow, this is cute. Look at this. Love this one. Oh wow, and it's getting better each time. Super cute. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, this is nice with the curves on the top. Look at that. So nice. And then we have some colored ones. Wow. Look at that. I don't know if you can see this on camera. I hope you can. Super nice. Oh wow, and then this one. Look at that. Nice pink one. Melon pink something. And then we have, oh wow, what's this? Oh, it's not elastic. I thought it was elastic, but it isn't. Oh, just a little bit. Super cool. Wow, I really like it. Oh, there are two different ones. This is another color. Wow, that is nice. Super nice. So you have two colors, one with some aubergine and brown and orange, and you have one with blue, yellow, wet kind of ones. Super nice. So cool. Alright, what's next? Oh, this is just feels like Christmas. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so cool. Oh wow, I love these. Oh. Now I want to make a journal or something. Oh my goodness. Look at the size of this. Wow. I'm in love. I'm in love. Cute, cute, cute. Super nice. Wow. Love these roses. Oh, what's this? It's almost like a napkin or a handkerchief or something like that. Oh wow. Look at that. Oh, you can make a nice pocket out of this. Wow, that is super cool. Yes, you can make a nice pocket. And there is still more. Oh my. Super nice. Nice Christmas. You can cut these out and use them for embellishments. Wow. And it's continuing. Love these. Oh wow. Super nice. You better check out her Etsy shop to see all these yummies. And she has so many. If you love to have those laces and ribbons, oh my god, I love this. It's super good. You even can cut these a little apart if you like to use them separately. But you also can use it as a ribbon. Oh, it's yellow. Oh wow. That is nice. Super nice. Never see these before. Then, oh wow. This one, so nice. Oh, what a nice thing to send this to me, Lisa. I really love these. Super cool. Wow. Great, great, great for pockets to make. Absolutely stunning. Yep, I think I'm gonna know already what I'm gonna use these for. Oh, these are nice, and then you also can put some ribbons in between, but then again you don't see the nice little red flowers. But you can put some ribbons in here. Oh, I love these. Oh yeah, that's true. Then the ribbons come out here, and then you still see the roses. Dummy, of course you see then the roses. Nice. Oh wow, I love these. Can there even be more? Does it ever stop? No. Alright, this is the last one. Oh, no way. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Oh, it keeps going and going and going. Look at these. Oh wow. Imagine baby album with this on a pocket. Oh, super cute. The ideas, that is a darker pink and this is a lighter pink. It continuing. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow, 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 wow. Oh, this is a nice cotton one. And it almost feels like if this is by hand put on. Maybe it is. No, I think with a machine, of course. Wow, that's amazing. And this is another color. Oh, why do you send me that much? Oh my goodness, look at this. So cute. Pastel colors. Oh, and then we have this one in blue. Yep, baby boy album. No, you can use this for every occasion. You can. And it continues. Oh wow. Oh wow. Yeah. You can keep this all in place, but you also can cut these out and put it on as a nice embellish. Oh wow, look at this. Wow. Never saw this kind of fabric before. Love it. Super cute. Does it ever stop? Oh, wow. I love this fabric. Reminds me of Laura Ashley. Love this. Nice yellow background with a nice old pinkish, brownish roses on. Super cute, super cute. What's this? I wonder what this was before. I don't know, but it is cute. You can use it as a nice pocket. Love this. Nice light yellow. Never seen this before. Wow. I'm impressed. So many goodies. Oh wow. What's this? See that? That is handmade. This is handmade, guys. It is. Wow. I think someone made this or something. Wow. That is so cute. Oh, and it doesn't stop. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. There is even a word on it. What word it is? I have no idea what's it said. I can't read it. Diary, no. Oh my gosh, but I love it. And I have this in, yeah, this is a kind of a mauve color that is a very pale pink skin color one. Love it. And then also in green and in white. Oh my goodness. I love it. Love it. And then, oh wow. Wow. Oh, there are two different ones. Wow, this is super cute. Oh, I can't use this in a journal. It's way too nice. It's nice on a table or something. Super cute. I love the colors. I'm absolutely in love with the beige colors. Oh, wow. Wow. That is super cute. But you also can put this around a little album. Yes, you can. That's super nice. Over the spine for just a little cute album. Oh yeah, wow. That is nice. To put somewhere, let's say that this is an album. Put this on the side. Oh, look at that. Oh wow. Yep. I definitely need to make a few little journals. Wow, wow, wow. Thank you so much, Lisa. This is so much. Oh wow. Yeah, I am impressed. Thank you. Thank you very much, Lisa. Check it out. Her Etsy shop calls Paper Lace and Bling. And her name is Lisa Fischer. And she's also to be found on YouTube. Check it out. But I will put the link below this video. And thank you so much, Lisa. I am totally overwhelmed on the beauty of all this. And thank you so much. Please give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. And see you next time. Bye bye. Alright guys. guys, before I forgot. This is the discount code you can use, ScrapQueen15, to get 15% off. And this is available to the end of November. Orders from $15 or more. Check it out. Thank you, Lisa.